Welcome students. Today we will continue the same chapter, the human robot. We have discussed in the previous video the story of the human robot. Now today I will give you the whole notes of the human robot by Ira Saxena. You might have understood the chapter how the robot diffused itself so that he should not disobey his master, neither he would harm the common people. This is what his principle was. Now, to answer the following questions. Why did Prem Chopra go to Super Robot Plaza? Prem Chopra went to Super Robot Plaza because he wanted to buy an accomplice who would help him in his thefts and robberies. According to him, this was the best way to invest his money. Now, discussion number two. What all could Ram Singh do? Ram Singh was perfectly programmed robot to perform household activities, cleaning, arranging, collecting groceries from the market, tending lawn, mailing letters, relating favorite television programs, and selecting news of interest for the paper. Number three, write where the three inbuilt principles in Ram Singh's system. Ram Singh has an inbuilt principles in his system. The three principles are the robot would obey his master, the robot could not harm human being, and the third is the robot would not take harm to itself. Now the question number four is why was Prem Chopra interested only in the first principle? Prem Chopra was only interested in the first principle because, according to it, the robot would always obey his master. Prem Chopra wanted to buy Ram Singh primarily for stealing things and doing robberies. Now, next question is why was Ram Singh arrested? Why was he summoned to the court? Ram Singh was arrested because the computerized cameras capable of split-second recording clicked him lifting precious gems from the shop of Jewelry Brothers. He was summoned to the court because he had a memory tape which would reveal all the information needed for solving the case. Now question number 6 is what happened to Ram Singh in the court? Why? Ram Singh's system disintegrated and diffused in the court as Kansil Goyal forced to reveal the information and warned him that he would harm the innocent people if he did not do so. On the other hand, Prem Chopra had instructed him not to reveal the name. There was a conflict within Ram Singh, so he decided to diffuse him himself. Now the hot questions. Prem Chopra pleaded guilty at the end of the chapter. Why do you think he did so? From the beginning, we have seen the intention of Prem Chopra. In the story, the one who suffered was Prem Chopra, was Ram Singh 070. But the real culprit was Prem Chopra. Prem Chopra was the mastermind. Because of his greed, the one who blamed and dismantled was Ram Singh. However, it does not matter how much our intention was wrong, but still some humanity is being left in those. Same happened with Prem Chopra. Although his intention was to steal things, still he was also a human being. He felt guilty because he thought that the person who is behind the painful end of Ram Singh was he himself. He was bashing own self by confessing his guilt. Now the life skill question is there. We all know that though technology can be very beneficial for us, misusing it can have disastrous consequences. Prepare a speech to be delivered in the morning assembly on how technology can be for the benefit of mankind. Now, good. This is the speech. So the format is, first of all, Good morning to one and all present here, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I have got the golden opportunity to say few words on our new technology and how they are beneficial for human beings. Now, the second paragraph. In our day to day life, technology is very useful and important. It has made communication much easier than ever before. The introduction of modified and advanced innovations of phones and its application has made connecting to people much easier. Moreover, technology not only transformed our professional world but also has changed the household life to a great extent. In addition, most of the technology that we today use is generally automatic in comparison to that our parents and grandparents had in their days. But there are some drawbacks also of technology that we are fully dependent on it. In conclusion, I would say that it depends on a person that to what degree she or he wants to be dependent on technology. Moreover, there is nothing in the world that comes easy, and it's up to our conscience to decide what we want to learn from the things that we are provided to us. Technology is not just a boon but a curse too. On one hand, it can save lives, on the other hand, it can destroy them too. Thank you. Now, values. Robot Ram Singh is more valuable than Prem Chopra. Discuss. Yes, it is true that Robot Ram Singh is more human than Prem Chopra, as he did not hamper the mankind intentionally. Moreover, he felt to diffuse himself rather than disobeying his master and harm the people financially. He somehow managed to follow his principles. Now, the writing skill is a very new one. Okay, verdict you have to write. Imagine yourself to be the judge of Prem Chopra Ram Singh case. Prepare a verdict about 80 words to be pronounced in the court. So, for the verdict, this is the format of the verdict I have written. You have to write on the topmost state from whom the case is being filed. Okay, state versus Prem Chopra, isn't it? Because the Prem Chopra was having the whole state, so it's a state. All the human beings they have filed the case to Prem Chopra. So state versus Prem Chopra, case number you have to write. Okay, then date and then the judgment of the judge. Okay, verdict means the judgment. And the case State versus Prem Chopra, it has been proved that Ram Singh 070 had acted on Prem Chopra's instructions and had stolen the jewel. As robots don't disobey their masters nor they harm humans, so without disclosing the name of the culprit, he diffused himself. In the end, Prem Chopra pleaded guilty as the culprit. Prem Chopra has been sentenced to 6 months jail and he has to give 2 lakhs to each victim. Okay, finally you have to write the name of the judge. You can write your name. Okay, children, so these are the question answers and notes that you have to write in your copy. Okay, and write all the notes, and one more thing very important, you have to write the word meanings also yourself. Okay, children, thank you, have a nice day.